So my name's Michael Bates. I'm the design manager at Kuryakyn.
My name is Andy Kawa. I'm a senior photographer at Kuryakyn. One thing I really like about the One Show is how diverse it is. There's a little bit of everything here. Cafe racers, scramblers, choppers.
Well, I really like the One Moto Show because it seems like of all the shows, it involves probably the most diverse array of motorcycles. It's kind of in a funky city, you know. Portland's fun, Portland's weird, anything goes, and it's kind of like, you know, you see a lot of these smaller offshoot shows. Nobody's judgmental, they just want to see some cool stuff.
I decided to build this bike because I've always enjoyed the XS650 platforms and how versatile they are. And for this particular one, I just wanted like a street dirt bike, and simplicity was key. Just kind of, you know, BS type bike, just a fun little bike to ride.
I've seen the trends with the hooligan racers. Adventure touring is really up and coming, off-roading. I love cafe racers. And it kind of ended up being a hybrid between all those things.
Most of the weight savings came from aesthetic choices. I just wanted to remove as much as I could, and I ended up removing about 70 pounds off of the bike. So I got rid of the battery, put a PMA kit in it, so that allowed me to get rid of the starter, and that was a huge chunk right there. And then I just cut as much of the frame off as I could. I mean, if it didn't need to be there, I took it off.
Yeah, at Kuryakyn, we've got a new product line called the Dillinger line. And that was another thing that kind of led into the inspiration for this build, was like the parts have this industrial, modern, kind of gnarly look to them, and I wanted to do something that really bring out the character of the parts, so I made this kind of off-road, on-road, any terrain style of bike.
You see people that, when you look at them, you're like creative people, bike builders, artists, and then right around the corner there's a family with kids here. It's pretty cool to see that everybody's coming together to see art, you know. Anybody that's intimidated about building a bike, I would tell them I didn't know how to do it either, and I learned. Anybody can do it.